Hey friends, that's Wayne over here at Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. So, David over there in North Carolina with that Hemi Charger at 500. So he got a Hemi master cylinder to go along with his Hemi unit. And of course, you know, in review, the Hemi master cylinder is a casting 5621, 222, 5621. The 222 basically designates the sixth decade of the 60s. So, we brass sleeved it so that it won't pit, and so theoretically this will last a long time. What we've got right here is we've got front piston, rear piston. You know what those are, right? That's your brass tube seats. Check valve for the drum brake circuit to keep just a couple pounds of pressure on there. Piston retainer bolt on the 5621, which catches the lip right here, which keeps the guts inside. This is what keeps the guts inside. So, we're ready to assemble. We're going to use a little bit of brake fluid on my fingy to lube things up. Got to be really careful. You don't want to tear up the lips on these little seals. Pump into cup, wiper cup. Work that little seal in there with your sharp ice pick type gizmo. There we go. Front piston's in. Boop. Let's do the back piston. I'll try to do it so you can see it. Gonna lube up the seal. Remember, master cylinders and the like can never ever be around petroleum products, right? .3 or .4 brake fluid, alcohol, and nothing else, basically, to be quite honest with you. It will mess with the rubber, and you will have problems. There we go. Got it in. Now I'm going to hold it in. Get my stop bolt going. It's a 3/8 gang on the Mopars. And there you go. Yes, on the 5621, 68, and the Hemi. Only master cylinders that I know of. That the piston, its normal resting state, sticks out just a little bit. Bendix was also trying to use the casting and to gain just a teeny bit of fluid volume, and that's how they came up with this. So do not be alarmed. That's one of the reasons on the front of a tandem Bendix booster, if you'll notice, you'll see that it is depressed there around the master cylinder push rod to account for that. That's why these go together. The minute differences between piston depth, what type of pistons, how it bolts up, front of the can, those are all relative when you're changing things out. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Mopar.